So my name is Moses Kangare. I'm a manager responsible for stakeholder programs within the Santam group. I manage the Partnership for Risk and Resilience program, and my role in the stormwater cleaning initiative has entailed conceptualizing the initiative, engaging with the city to initiate the program, as well as overall management and coordination of implementation together with the service provider that we had appointed to assist us execute this initiative. I think that the program has been successful insofar as it relates to a number of dimensions and sub-elements that we wanted to achieve. It has been successful in relation to creating opportunities for 10 unemployed young people who have been in the program, who have gained a lot of experience and skills that will help them find jobs going into the future. It has also been successful in relation to supporting the city and enhancing their capacity to deliver on this mandate, because since the program has started, we've managed to clean over 1,000 stormwater catchpits in the 3 selected regions where we are implementing.
This project had 2 elements. One, it was the job creation because of the learners that have been employed by Santam. And then 2, it was the risk reduction initiatives. We have seen a slight reduction of the flooding that has been implemented within the city.
The program has been very successful in the sense that it has responded to 2 of the biggest needs, which is job creation as well as maintaining infrastructure.
We have seen a great success in the project. If implemented in a longer term, you will see a great impact.
The emerging impact that we have observed since the program has started, one can be looked at from the number of stormwater catchpits that has been cleaned. We know the critical role that stormwater drainage systems play in flooding, particularly in urban flooding. The city has also indicated that they are monitoring these hotspots areas that were identified and cleaned during episodes of heavy rainfall. So it's an ongoing initiative to track and monitor the impact that the program has had. But we are confident that given the fact that we have cleaned over 1,000, it will be beneficial to communities, it will be beneficial to businesses in areas where stormwaters have been cleaned.
The emerging impacts that we have observed since the program has started is that the youth that were employed on this project, their whole demeanor has changed, they have a positive outlook, and they are excited about the skills and opportunity they've received throughout this program, and they're looking forward into the future.
I'm Makwarela Judith Ndo, original from Limpopo, but here I'm staying in Pretoria West. I'm studying engineering as a plumber. This program has given me respect, experience and skill. When I'm talking about the skills, I'm talking about the teamwork, collaborating with my colleagues towards the common goal.
My name is Tshwane Hopani. I'm from Limpopo at the village called Mulechakakomake. I'm studying civil engineering. This program helped me a lot. It will really help me to find a job in future.
As Santam, we piloted this initiative here in the City of Tshwane, and over a period of 18 months we have drawn a number of lessons that we are hoping will enhance our implementation approach as we replicate implementation of this program in other identified high-risk areas. We are also hoping that other private partners will draw from our lessons and learning and be able to partner with cities in various parts of the country to implement the programs in order to reduce the risk of flooding and to help build a resilient South Africa.